It's Sunday night and you're doing that thing again, scrolling through your bank account, trying to reverse engineer whether you actually made money this month. Maybe you had a good month. Invoices went out, clients paid, but the number staring back at you from your bank account doesn't match the effort that you actually put in. Or maybe the money came in and you're just not sure where it went. Or you know exactly where it went, straight to taxes, and you're tired of it. Whatever version of this is yours, you close the app, tell yourself you'll look at it properly later, and then go back to doing the things in your business you actually enjoy doing. Sound familiar? Most businesses are running on a combination of talent, hustle, and gut instinct, but that's because nobody gave them the financial playbook they needed. But here's what most people don't think about. Big companies have entire finance departments, a CFO, a controller, an accounting team, lots of people whose job it is to make sure that the company stays profitable and that they pay the least amount in taxes that they need to. But if you're a self-employed individual or small business owner making under $500,000 a year, that department is probably just you. Or maybe you and your accountant who you talk to once a year at tax time. That gap is exactly why this channel exists. I'm Jamie Trull, CPA, financial educator, and profit strategist, and I spent 15 years rising through the corporate ladder before starting my own business. I've seen the inner workings of Fortune 500 finance departments, and I've also seen the struggles that real, true small business owners have to stay profitable. I started my own virtual CFO business back in 2018 because I really wanted to help true small business owners with their numbers. And it didn't take long for me to realize that there was nobody out here teaching real small business owners how any of this works, not without jargon and not in a way that actually applies to your business. Your accountant is often great at filing your taxes, but there's a whole world of financial strategy that lives in between here's your tax return and really understanding your finances. And most small business owners never get access to it. I built this channel and became a financial educator simply to change that, because accessible financial education isn't just a nice to have. It's the difference between a business that just survives and one that actually builds wealth and freedom. We don't do jargon here, we don't do shame here, and we don't do one-size-fits-all rules that ignore how real humans actually run their businesses. Get organized, profit smarter, keep more of what you've earned. If that's what you're here for, you're in the right place. On this channel, you'll learn how to understand your numbers, not just track them. How to pay yourself consistently and stop wondering if you can afford to. How to price for real profit, not just revenue. And how to make smarter decisions about your business structure, your taxes, and your growth without having to have an entire accounting team to help you. This is the financial education that your accountant probably isn't giving you. And it's the stuff that changes everything. If one of your goals is to get a better handle on the money in your business, but you're just not sure where to start, that's exactly why I created the Profit Path Diagnostic. Maybe you're at the foundation, getting your finances organized so you actually have a system that works. Maybe you're at the breakthrough. You've got a system for tracking your numbers, but you're working harder than your bank account shows, and it's time to find the profit. Or maybe you're at the protection stage. Your business is thriving, but your tax bill is not. And it's time to protect what you've built. 90 seconds, completely free, and at the end you'll walk away with a personalized multi-page PDF document that will tell you exactly where you need to start on your business finance journey. Take the diagnostic at jamietrull.com/profitpath. And of course, if any of this resonated with you and you really want to take your business finances to the next level this year, make sure to subscribe. Here in this channel, I post content every single week to help you have your best year ever in business. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you inside.